Namaste, Namaskar, Hari Om, Sadar Abhivadan. There is an intimate for the all country people from our organization. So many people were asking that what we are doing for, what the works we are doing, what the works WSSF is doing. So regarding all that questions, I am here to tell you and inform you all about the objective and the fields and the streams on which we are working. So we will start from the of name of institution that has been registered with the government of India, that its name through which we are working is World Scientific and Spiritual Foundation. In short, it will be WSSF. In other words, WSSF. In Hindi, its Hindi name will be Vishwa Vaigyanik Evam Adhyatmik Pratishthan. In bracket, we use VYAPRA, followed by the first letter of all the words. Here, WSSF is working in different fields, on different subjects, with different causes and with several objectives, which is directly linked with the welfare of common people and also the country welfare. Here the organization and all the members, all the team of organizations are working, especially organization of this organization WSSF, its members and all the team are working in country welfare. There is no doubt in that, but there are some particular fields within which we are working very fast and working very thoroughly to improve and for the betterment of the situation which is present right now. Today, what we are observing globally, that we all people are suffering with a COVID-19 pandemic, and these days situations are becoming better and better with every passing moments, with every passing days, months and years. No doubt a time will come when everything will get normal. Like Spanish flu, when it was spread, there was so much fear among the people and resident of that particular place and country, and not only within that country, also the worldwide. The same lower or higher, the same fear is right now also moving globally. And what is required at present time is our immunity system. So there is a message also before we start with the objectives and before we start with the aims, streams, subjects on which we are working, is that we all country people should start practicing of yoga, those who are not practicing. Those who are practicing from very last years, from very beginning, from their childhood, from last so many years, even before the announcement of International Day of Yoga. They have to improve, they have to bring perfection in their practices, and those who are new, they should start without any much further delay. They must start practicing yoga. They themselves will feel the change within a week if they are following and if they are practicing yoga with a honesty, with a proper scientific way which has been taught to them. And just not only that, but also, first of all, we must focus on the learning of its scientific aspects. Only then that can bring you result of therapeutical aspects. Until and unless we don't learn it scientifically, we don't learn it very correctly, very principle based, principle oriented, unless we will be very much unable to feel what is the change, what's the benefits, what's the result, or what's the reform that yogic practices gives. The strength, the reform, and the quality what yoga can gives you is now much more proved in terms of, in the eyes of medical science also. That's why the whole global countries, the whole abroad countries, the whole developed countries are working so much on the betterment, enhancement of yogic practices. Since these all were already defined in our country by our great philosophers, saints, Rishi, Muni, Sant, Tapasvi, philosophers, all those were very great scientists of all time. They have already written in scriptures that yogic practices are of much uses and are of much benefits from health point of view, from a spiritual point of view, and from equilibrium and balance point of view. So in one line, if we talk that why at this pandemic time, COVID-19 pandemic time, yoga can be a very, very excellent vaccine for you. Though so many vaccines are being prepared, so many vaccines are to come in the market, so many vaccines are yet to come in a fully finished state. Government is working, Indian government is taking care of distribution and all those things. But see, each and every people of our country, each and every students, children's, girls, women, male, female, everyone will have to take care of their health individually. It's not only the government effort, it's not only the sake of government, it's not only the sake of just doing duty, it's for the sake of your health. It's for the sake of your good health, it's the sake of, for the sake of your whole family's health, whole society health, whole state health, and thereby the whole country, nation's health. Nation or country becomes healthy only when its citizens and the people who are residing in that country are stronger, healthy. Only then country will become stronger or healthy. That's why you all have to practice yoga. Now, WSSF, World Scientific and Spiritual Foundation or Vishwa Vaigyanik Evam Adhyatmik Pratishthan, the objectives of the organization is already registered, certified, awarded by Government of India. We are working from last so many years. Conducted last year more than 100 civil throughout Delhi, in which the whole, all Kendriya Vidyalaya, all Vidyalayas, Kendriya Vidyalayas were covered with health awareness and yoga training campaign, and which was run under Swasth Bharat Abhiyan, which another name is also of that is Fit India movement. So these are still going on at since pandemic time is going on. That's why we are not operating in open. We are operating in online mode. Some personal counseling. There are some WhatsApp group. Regularly we are intimating. We are helping people, everyone to use yogic practices and to do yoga on a regular basis so that their immunity will be boosted up and pandemic will no more affect their health. So the objective of organization is to propagate practice of yoga, practicing of yoga. It means here the institution will be formed, University of Yoga will be formed for the promotion of yogic practices. All the ancient scriptures, ancient principles which were given under yoga by our saint, rishis and philosophers. Naturopathy, astrology, Ayurveda, production of Ayurvedic medicinal plants. We will work on the production of medicinal plants also. For that, herbal park will be formed for the production, and we will also aware people for their production, and just not only production, they can cultivate these plants, they can plant them in their home also, in their residence also, so that they can use it medicinally also. Another is to promote spiritual sciences as one of the essential discipline of science in favor of society. See, spiritual sciences, how it can be beneficial for you in the welfare of society, that we have to promote, like all the spiritual principles like yogic practices and the moral values and the cultural values and all those diversities which are in Indian culture. Third is to make the people aware of all the positive aspects of allopathic and medical sciences. See, medical sciences, though its origin is from Western country, foreign countries, but still some of the principles, some of the applications, some of the functionality of medical science and allopathic may be beneficial in emergency cases. So we will take care of that also. To run a scholarship program for meritorious students, researchers and educationists who lack financial assistance and resources. Those meritorious students who are unable to pursue their study or complete their study, higher studies, we will assist them financially, and we will also assist researchers who are doing research work. For that, we can grant them research project subject for the availability of funds, and also after their proposal received by office, WSSF office. And all the educationists who are working, so many civil organizations, so many non-governmental organizations, so many institutions are working on the reform of education. So those educationists will also be supported by our organization in every possible way. To help the poor, differently abled person, Divyang, and those suffering from some chronic diseases or illness by making arrangements of their food, clothing, shelter, education and rehabilitation with the help of local government of the area they reside in. With the proper communication, with the proper cooperation, coordination with the district administration or the local administration of that place, we will go through the problem, and the root cause of that problem we will try to sort it out. To conduct training and workshop for skill development of the people who are unemployed, so as to enable them to serve the society as well as their own self. Training workshop like yogic training, which is already going on, health awareness and yoga training campaign. Some of the teachers will be prepared as a yoga trainer, as a yoga teachers. They will just not only help people in getting the eradication of their diseases, but also help themselves also in empowerment of their career or their future from economical point of view. When they will learn yoga, they will become yoga teacher, they will earn some money for them also, and they are obviously doing some public welfare activities also. To spread awareness about all the facets of social and environmental issues such as child labor, dowry, untouchability, women empowerment and environmental degradation and pollution, and helping victims in every possible manner. So environmental issues, afforestation we have to promote, child labor, that we have to stop, dowry, stop something little going somewhere, so we have to work on that also. Untouchability has been stopped something, but still little in undeveloped area it's there, so we have to work for that also. Women empowerment, very much important, we have to work on this also. Environmental degradation, for this, and pollution, for this will promote afforestation, will promote use of non-conventional energies like solar energies or biofuel, and also planting more and more tree. Deforestation, we will not promote the deforestation. So in this way, we'll try our level best for sustainable development of the whole ecosystem. To promote the writings and message of Veda, Upaveda, Vedanga, Upanishads, Mimamsa, Samhitas, and all the Indian ancient scriptures worldwide for the welfare of people. Since organization is completely dedicated to the welfare of country, welfare of people, welfare of all the races of society. Whether they belong to any of the religion, irrespective of that case, irrespective of that circumstances, organization will take care of each and every individual. As a president, I am today saying this. None of the activities will be done by organization in anti-country welfare state. All of the activities, all of the things and all of the initiatives will be taken only in the country welfare, public welfare at mass. But at the same time, there will be a meaning, there will be a thought, there will be a concept, and there will be a prerequisite or principle that we will think as a nationalist point of view. We will give preference to country welfare. So, after that, Indian scriptures, ancient scriptures worldwide for the welfare of the people. Sooner or later, we will operate officially with the permission of government of that respective place of that country. We will go to abroad also to promote this principles which are beneficial for all the people who are residing here in India or abroad or outside of the country. To conduct research and study on various disciplines of foreign sciences and develop an idea on it which could promote country and social welfare. Once Swami Vivekananda told that we have religion, very good. We have very good spiritual strength that we can give to global countries, developed countries and abroad countries. On the place of that, we can take technology. So in that way, some sciences, some foreign sciences, some forensic sciences which are beneficial for us, no doubt we will think over that for the promotion of that in our country, and on the place of that, what that country demands as per the country rules, laws and regulations, we'll think over that. After that, one we have to do that to organize a health checkup camp of common ordinary people at mass scale. Religious, social, cultural, legal, advisory camps as an advent of social welfare. Legal advisory camps will be conducted. Those who are being oppressed, suppressed, you can say suffered with any molestation, suffered with any discrimination, any people, any family suffered with any of the family harassments. So we will organize camp to empower them, to make them understand that you have another option also to keep your sound, keep your thoughts or keep your problem in front of particular administration of that place. So in that cultural activities, religious, the strength, the Indian system and Indian religion, the Vedic religion and the Vedanta, Sanatan, we will promote of that also, because that is very much scientific, already has been proved by the foreign agencies which are doing regular researches over it on yogic science and on different science of different our religion or principles related to the religion. After that, work for rural development, village area, like a smart city, formation of a smart city is going on. How we can assist government, district administration, local government in that. So we have to take care of that also. We have to cooperate. All the team of WSSF, all the members of SSF, you have to keep this thing, this one thing very clear in your mind, that you have to work, cooperate with the local administration, local government administration, state government, central government. We are here to assist. We are here to make the way easier, not to create any obstacle. So you have to be very careful in this, that you have to understand from every angle, every point of view, from every angle also, that how you can assist them. You have to become to give a solution, not to create any question. So with the proper cooperation of district administration, government, state government, either it is central government, in country welfare, public welfare, social welfare. That initiative of government must be in public welfare. Only then you have to go with administration or government. Otherwise, not no need. You work independently. You work with the name of WSSF, with the name of Pratishthan, Vishwa Vaigyanik Evam Adhyatmik Pratishthan. There is no problem in that. We are here certified to work independently. There is no objection in that. After that, industrial development, so that economy of country could be enhanced. In that, what we can do? We can do some industrial activity to train some person, like skill development, to train in particular sewing, and also to train them in some particular industrial job oriented courses that we can do, so that their enhancement, personal enhancement, personality enhancement could be done, and they could be job oriented. Also the understanding, see, while we have to focus on sustainable development, while doing development we have to take care that animals of that forest where we are entering, developing, are they also safe or not? So we have to take care of that also, so that animals could not be harmed compulsory. You have to take care of it. Other living beings forming a part of biodiversity. You don't have to disturb biodiversity, ecosystem. You don't have to be very careless about the destruction, degradation of biodiversity or ecosystem. We are surviving, we are still alive only because of biodiversity, nature, and ecosystem. These all three are playing very important role in our survival, living, and existence also. So we have to be environment friendly, ecosystem friendly, and biodiversity friendly. To create awareness about disaster management, Apada, Bhukamp, earthquake, or whatsoever disaster immediately come, or any type of emergency occur due to natural disaster, then we have to make people early aware that what you can do before, if any disaster come, then before what you can do, what disaster came and you are trapped inside that, in that case what you can do, after that what you can do. You have to make public aware. Work in the field of spiritual development, already discussed about it. Promotion of regional and national languages, very important. See, the diversity of our country is the strength of our country. The languages, the regional cultures are different in our country. Some people, older people says that with every miles, water and language changes in our country, in India. That's why Bharat is very much different, and that's why it's a global leader. It's like a global teacher also, Vishwaguru, who always shown a right path towards global peace and also towards a universal way that lead you towards an ultimate experience that who you are, Sankhya. There is something behind of our physical existence. So promotion of regional, we have to respect all the states, cultures, all the Indian states, national languages. Hindi, government is taking very good initiative in the promotion and in application of Hindi. So much works are being done in Hindi. There is no problem. It's admirable and it's abhinandaniya. So here we have to be also very much dedicated for the promotion of regional or national languages, but we have to develop an attitude inside any person to learn at least one national language. It may be Hindi, because so much people speak Hindi, so we have to promote it also. We have to try to speak in Hindi also. Since this video is being, made an informative video is being shoot on from the point of view of global listeners internationally, so that outside people also could understand what are the objective of this organization. That's why it is being made in video, made in English, but after that maybe we will make in Hindi also, so that Hindi listener could be familiar with the objective of the organization. In the field of spiritual development, promotion of regional national languages, humanity, modern science, medical science, education, art and craft, painting, sewing, knitting, conducting training program for hardware, software, typing and related computer knowledge is a very important thing. Skill development from Government of India is going on with a very full swing speed. Skill development and training, computer training. So we have to give some of the WSSF members, some of the yoga teachers, some of the scientific wing members. They are very expert in computer languages, computer knowledges, computer applications related all the operations. So they can conduct camps, they can conduct programs, they can conduct classes, they can keep nominal fee. Nominal, only nominal contributory amount like that, not much more. You have to work, our objective, we have been established only to work in public welfare, no any commercial. So you can make some, you can keep some charges so that arrangement could be run very much smoothly. So they can take care of that related computer knowledge, or digital, like Digital India, digitally what knowledges are beneficial for people, what knowledges are beneficial for students. There is all the things are going on online, everything we are doing online, all the bills, payment and transactions, official work, so much applications, interview, session, study going online. So we have to make them aware, trained about the use of these technologies. To support the community of scientists, students, philosophers, social workers, leaders for their research and study by providing financial assistance. If we have grant and if somebody apply, then surely we will assist them for their proceedings. To preserve and protect ancient knowledge and biodiversity and continuously working for their upgradation to suit the needs of modern times. Some of the ancient knowledge, they came in the situation of extinction. Why? Because of their upgradation, because of their updation with new technology or present time. So we have to work on that biodiversity and continuously working for their upgradation to suit the needs of modern. आज के हिसाब से as per today time, as per modern era, as per modern society, as per the modern youth, as per the modern public demand. We have to upgrade that all the ancient science, ancient knowledges, ancient principles as per their requirement, as per their demand, or as per their state of understanding. Only then we will be able to protect it. To open up a branch of this organization, institution, school, university, study center, and research center, very important. WSSF as an organization will open institute for all the disciplines, all the sciences, what I discussed earlier. Yoga is very important in this because right now we are dominantly, we are speedily, we are focusing more over yoga and yogic science, yogic practices, because it's directly linked with the Fit India movement, Swasth Bharat Abhiyan, health of the country people, and also the stronger nation. To make the whole country stronger, to make the nation very much stronger, it is very compulsory, it's very much important to be all country people healthy. Only then we are going to be in a stronger state ever. So that's why yogic practices can reform your health, can reform your whole body also. So it's very much important to open institution or university, yoga university. In future we are going to operate yoga university also, no doubt in that. Schools will be operated in public welfare, study center and research center will be designed, developed and conducted for the yogic sciences research or modern sciences research. Either it is scientific wing or spiritual wing. All the researches will be conducted with proper authorization, approval and confidence received by the administration of that place, government or country. Research throughout the country to fulfill the mentioned objectives with the help of government of that concerned place and other organization making donations. Any other organization who wish or want to donate us, we welcome you most. And most welcome because we are working in public welfare, audit, report, financial report, each and everything is been updated, are being updated to government clearly. And there is full complete transparency in this all the transactions, all the activities you can go through. And other point is to organize seminar, conferences, symposium, workshop, camps, civils throughout the country and abroad to promote the work and objective of the society. Very important. Maybe this video may be little longer. I will take few more minutes only to explain. Just 3 points are here only. Seminar, conferences, symposium, workshop, camps, civils, which are already being run. Health awareness and yoga training campaign were conducted in different states, different parts of country, especially in capital Delhi NCR. The whole of the Kendriya Vidyalaya, whole of many of the residential blocks, welfare societies were covered under this campaign. This was being run last year in 18, 19, 17. So place to place, district to district, state to state, country-wide, in the whole village to village, tehsil to tehsil, panchayat to panchayat, at a doorstep, every people will be made aware of their health, all those objectives which were discussed by organizing conferences, seminars, symposiums, severe camps, whatsoever is possible from our best level. And third last is to publish research papers, abstracts, project works of society in various journals or publishing journal of its own. It means we will design and develop research center, so obviously research paper, abstracts, project works will be released for scholars and for researchers who are doing their research on a particular subject, topics which is related with the social cause, and whose welfare of country is also linked or related with that topic. which has been selected by at Philo. To reward scientists, teachers, social workers, and other people working for social welfare of the country by distribution of prizes for their contribution in this field or feliciting them with ranks. So organization will award all those people who are working in country reform, in country welfare activities, in several social activities, in social welfare activities. We will award them in every possible way. We will assist them. We will support them as per the rules, laws, and regulations of government and several ethics that is present on that particular place. To make consistent effort for promotion of world global peace in every possible way. So, with all above objectives, principles, values, streams, sciences, efforts, we will make our every possible effort to move the whole communities, the whole races of society, whole people, whole individual, male, female, child, man, woman, every person, each and every person, one, the whole nation, the whole country, the whole globe to move, to proceed towards a global peace. We will make our every possible way, and the same on every same objects, on every same points, on every same topics which has been explained. However, I will come and interact with you all country people and with you all WSSF family also, to be familiar and to update what we have added, what we have removed, what is the new. I will regularly be interacting with you all people with new projects or new works that has been given by government of India or the state government or local administration. But this point of view and these objectives, aims will be most probably same, will be for long term, for working for long term until and unless these are being resolved, reformed, a problem is being sought out. So with this all information, thank you so much. Thank you very much that you gave your precious time, and if you feel that this video is beneficial for you, then you like it, you share it with your well-wishers, with your family members, with your all the person for whom you are taking care of, for whom you worry, really worry for their welfare, for their health welfare, because we are working very dominantly in health sector with our Yogic training campaign. That's why you like and you share. Thank you so much. Again, namaskar.